From custom closet systems to clever IKEA hacks and other ingenious solutions to keep your belongings organized while adding a touch of style to your sleeping, you're going to learn 13 small organization bedroom projects and decor by Simphome, without excessive yapping you don't want to hear. Let's start the countdown. Number 13, a small bedroom closet hack with an IKEA wardrobe packs hack from Get Naughty DIY. When your closet space is not ideal, the unique IKEA Pax Hack wardrobe could be your answer. First, cut down 1x3s and place them at the top and middle of each frame. Create bases out of 2x4s and OSB to fit a 5-inch baseboard and move frames onto new bases. Connect frames using cabinet screws. Add spacers in between for support and use liquid nails and a 1x2 MDF for the face frames. Optional, add IKEA Pax wardrobe shelving at an angle for shoes. Number 12, second IKEA Pax hack, this time from Viv and Time Home. Looking to assemble your first-time IKEA Pax wardrobe system but don't know where to start? Here are some quick tips to help you get started. Assemble your drawers first. Use a ratcheting screwdriver with Phillips and flathead options. Get screws for wall anchors. Use painter tape to mark holes for drawers, accessories, and shelves, and print out the summary of hole numbers from the IKEA Pax Planner for reference. Number 11, the underbed storage idea with multiple sections. Start by measuring and cutting your wood, then paint all your boards. Cover your plywood with sticky back contact paper and assemble the sides with pre-drilled holes before screwing them together. Add wheels, a front piece, and handles. Then paint over any exposed screws, add your items, and roll them under your bed. Perfect for anything besides Legos, shoes, or anything else you need to hide temporarily. To step up the game of the previous idea, try the next idea on number 10, a DIY storage bed idea with drawers from Mimsy & Company. Transform a $40 old dresser into a bed frame in a few simple steps. Cut the dressers down to size using the top and bottom 2 drawers and cutting all 4 sections to 19 inches. Paint everything and arrange the dressers to accommodate your full-size mattress. Use thin plywood for the top of the dressers to support the mattress and secure the dresser pieces together with screws. Cover the opening in the middle or keep it open and add a barn door. Finally, trim out the top edge to cover the screws and clean up the edge. Number 9, the bed in the box hack. The bed in a box hack will give your guests or yourself a comfortable sleeping space and a storage solution regardless of how minimal the room receives outdoor natural lights. Use a piece of insulation foam to protect your cutting surface, and remember to wear your safety gear. Assembly consists of a lot of glue, brad nails, and multiple clamps, so keep that in mind. Use extra wood glue and brad nails to add support pieces to the box's interior. And to easily move the box, give your bed box metal pipe handles. The new box adds height to the bed, making it more of a conventional bedroom than a regular camping out. The backside of the bed in a box has shelves for bedding, and everything is nicely contained inside the box with room for even more stuff. Number 8, a small bedroom hack with a loft bed with extra closet space underneath. Small spaces can be a challenge to design, but with a loft bed and closet space underneath, you can maximize your area without folding your shirts. Here's how. Number 1, determine your closet needs. Purchase drawer slides on Amazon according to your measurement and build them to suit. 2, ensure the cabinet fits perfectly under the bed base. 3, plan and visualize the design. 4, calculate where support walls will hold drawer slides. 5, install and adjust the tracks or slides for smooth operation. 6, ensure the slides are aligned properly. 7, build the bed base or install engineered flooring. And 8, add final touches to your loft bed. Number 7, a custom closet conversion idea by @Marie Does It. While a multi-purpose storage hack and loft bed idea previously are effective, they may not cater to everyone's comfy needs. Alternatively, a closet conversion might be a better option for you. To begin, kick off your closet conversion with a clean slate. Uninstall those old shelves and brackets. Say goodbye to the past and make room for your fantastic custom closet. Get your hands on some 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch plywood and cut it into pieces for the frame and shelves. Use wood glue and nails to secure joints. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Now let's build the base for your closet build-ins. Use sturdy 2x4s for this task. Cut them to size and assemble the base. This foundation will support your whole closet, so make sure it's strong and level. Number 6, a basic custom closet system with a tilt-out system. Create a tilt-out hamper for your closet with this easy tutorial. First, create the angled cut needed to allow the hamper to tilt open. Then, attach the front wall to a side wall and install the hamper by tilting the door open and centering the hamper on the door. Finally, attach a chain to the hamper and cubby to prevent it from falling all the way open. This simple custom closet system is a great way to add storage to your small space while keeping things organized and out of sight. Number 5, a multi-purpose storage closet idea with drawers and, yes, countertops. This multi-purpose closet needs to function for many purposes, so our role model, Tammy, maximized every inch of space by installing shelving that extends up to the 12-foot ceiling, DIY drawer units, and a built-in wall-mounted bookshelf. The walls are made of MDF, spaced 14 inches apart, and painted with a simple creamy white. Tammy opted for inexpensive pine boards for the countertops, painted the same color as the walls and shelving. The project's drawer bases are 15 inches shallow from IKEA, and the drawer fronts are custom. More detail is available on Tammy's blog. Number 4, a DIY shoe tower closet organization. Learn how to build a shoe tower for your closet with these easy steps. Cut some sideboards, measure the width, and strategically place pocket holes to hide them from view. Screw in the top piece to the ceiling with Power Pro screws, then lower the shelf on a 25-degree tilt using a spacer block. Use paste wax on the screws before drilling into hardwoods like red oak. Number 3, stacked of drawers idea. When building drawers, it's essential to avoid any potential obstacles. Unfortunately, our author Andy and the team didn't realize until the end that the trim around the closet door was in the way of the drawers fully opening. But they came up with some solutions. 1, build smaller drawers. 2, skip installing the drawers. 3, remove the trim and make the trim narrower. Ultimately, they went with the 4th option and trimmed down the door casing. They also used a 1x4 board to get perfect spacing between the drawers. Number 2, a DIY boxy corner shelving idea. Tired of your boring walls? Try this DIY boxy corner shelving idea. These shelves are unique because you can install them inside or outside corners. Here are the DIY's highlights. Step 1, cut your corner shelf pieces. Step 2, assemble your long shelf side using pocket holes and screws. You can also use wood glue. Step 3, add the short corner shelf side. Helpful tip, position the pocket holes facing up so you can cover them with items and hide the top of the top piece. Step 4, hang your DIY floating corner shelf using L brackets and screws, securing it to the studs. Use at least 4 brackets to support both the top and bottom shelves. Hang the top brackets first, rest the top shelf, then screw in the bottom brackets to get the spacing right. Lastly, number 1, a DIY minimalist corner bookcase idea. With real wood and a two-tone white and natural wood finish, this corner bookcase gives off a modern vibe and offers open shelving to display your treasures alongside your books. Plus, it's ideal for a narrow corner or two and costs only $60 to make. Here's how to build it in just a day. 1. Cut the shelf pieces and outline the placement of the shelves. 2. Assemble the back and side pieces, ensuring they're square. 3. Attach the shelves using glue and brad nails. 4. Attach the remaining shelves and the leg to the bottom. 5. Sand and paint or stain the bookcase. 6. Add spacer boards to the back and side pieces. 7. Pre-drill holes and attach the bookcase to the wall, making sure to hit the studs or use drywall anchors. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.